Hey guys, we're at the end of 2020. Can you believe that? It's been one crazy, unpredictable year. It's not been easy for most of us. But as we look back at this year, what have some of your highlights been? Let me know in the comments below. It's another new year. That also means time to list down your New Year's resolution. How many of you have set fitness resolutions in the past? Have you achieved it? Or have you just forgotten about it? According to a study, 60% of people give up on their resolution by February. By March, a whopping 80% have totally let it go. I don't want you to be one of the statistics. I want you to be part of that 20% who succeed, and I know you can do it. I'm going to share with you 7 ways to succeed in your fitness resolution. Before you can embark on a successful fitness journey, you need to find your why, the inner motivation within you. Take a moment to assess, why do you so desperately want to lose the weight? If your answer is because I'm overweight, that's not good enough. You need to dig deeper. For instance, it might be for your wedding that is coming up, or a health issue, or perhaps your weight might be preventing you from doing certain things, such as spending more time playing with your kids. Be honest and ask yourself, what is your why? That would give you the strength to carry you through your fitness journey. If your reason for losing weight and looking fit is merely aesthetic or to look like a certain celebrity or influencer, I would suggest that you re-evaluate your motivation, because this could lead to an unhealthy obsession, both physically and emotionally. It's important to love and accept yourself before you can make any changes. We're all different, perfect in our own ways, and we should embrace that. Once you have found your inner motivation, write it down, because this will be your key to success. What does toning up or losing weight actually mean to you? How will you measure it? What would you do? How long will it take you to get there? In order to succeed, you need to set SMART goals. Your goals need to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. But how many of us actually apply it? So, grab a pen and paper and write down your SMART goal. It has been proven that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them by over 70%. You can either write it down in your journal, or if you're mostly on your mobile, you can also type it into your phone and make it your wallpaper. Don't stress out about it. There is no right or wrong, and sometimes you wouldn't know what you want until you start writing things down. Specific. Instead of just saying, I want to lose weight and tone up, dive deeper. My goal is to lose 25 kilos this year. Measurable. That's a great start. Now, let's measure and calculate how long it will take you to achieve your goal. If you were to lose 25 kilos in 12 months, that's an average of 2 kilos a month and half a kilo a week. By adding quantity to your goals and breaking it down to smaller goals, this will allow you to track and ensure success. Rather than focusing on a big number, 25 kilos, which can be overwhelming and scary, you're focusing on half a kilo a week, which is more manageable and attainable. Is it attainable? Yes! The safe and recommended weight loss is between half to 1 kilo per week. The heavier you are, the quicker you will lose the weight, especially in the early stages, because you have more fat to burn. The lighter you are, the longer it will take, because your body has less fat to burn. Set a realistic goal so that you know you can work towards it and you're setting yourself up for success. I've received lots of comments asking, how can I lose 10 kilos in a couple of weeks? Or how can I get a flat belly in 2 weeks? Don't expect that to happen. You didn't put on all the weight over a few weeks, hence it will take time to lose the weight. Be realistic with yourself. If you're ready to invest your time and effort and stop looking for shortcuts, then do this with me. Time-bound. Every goal needs to be time-bound. Otherwise, there's no urgency to want to achieve it. In this case, the time you have set for yourself is 12 months. Setting a SMART goal is only one small part of the puzzle. It means nothing if you don't have an action plan. How are you going to achieve your goal? What steps do you need to take? What do you have to sacrifice? I like to call this the action and give list. In order to get what you want, you must be willing to make changes, compromise, get out of your comfort zone, do things you have never done before, and even make sacrifices. What I want you to do is to create 2 columns. The first column is action. What do I have to do in order to achieve my goal? The second column is give. What do I have to give up? So, the action column can be, I'll hit the gym 3 times weekly. I'll cook 2 healthy meals a day. I'll hit 10,000 steps daily. I'll get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. The give column can be, I'll eat takeaways only twice a week. I have to wake up an hour earlier to get my workout done. I'll cut down on alcohol and only go out for a drink once a week. I will spend the weekend to prep my meals for the week. It doesn't have to be a long list, but rather a short list that you can focus on and turn them into positive habits. Once you have written down the action and give list, weigh out the balance of each column. Make sure it's realistic to your schedule and lifestyle, and consciously tell yourself that you're ready to commit to these lifestyle changes. If you're someone who hasn't been physically active and has been eating fast food and takeaways for many years, start small and slowly build up the momentum. No, I'm not expecting you to hit the gym every single day or cook every single meal. If you try to change too much too quickly, you're setting yourself up for failure. Take it step by step and develop a solid foundation of fitness, and then build upon that foundation as your fitness improves. If you have no idea where to start or how to structure your own workout program, then do check out my own fitness app called Feel. I've created Feel with a focus on 3 main pillars of wellness, which is exercise, food, and mindset. We offer new monthly guided workout programs with a combination of strength training and cardio. Each workout is only 30 minutes long, and you get to do it at home. Plus, all the workouts are taught by internationally certified trainers, so you know you're in safe hands. We also have over 100 really simple recipes to get you started, as well as short videos to help you train your mindset in order to succeed. So do check it out on feellife.com or download on the App Store and Google Play. We know fitness resolutions are hard to keep, and to be honest, motivation can quickly disappear. Hence, by using Feel, you will be able to schedule your workout, build your momentum, and keep you accountable, which leads on to my next point. I truly believe that when you're able to share your goals and progress with like-minded people, it will give you a sense of accountability. They will also be able to offer you support and motivation when things get tough. It can either be a workout partner, a family member who cheers you on, a personal trainer, or even an online community where you can share your journey with, such as on Feel app or even my YouTube channel right here. You are always welcome to share your weight loss journey, ask questions, and even support each other. That's what we are here for. But note this, who you share your goals with is extremely important. I wouldn't encourage you to just openly share it with anyone and everyone you know. Oversharing might not be a positive thing because these people may end up sabotaging you. Oh, she's trying to lose weight. Oh, come on. One slice of cake will not make you fat. So, how much have you lost? The harsh truth is that not everybody is going to be excited about your goals. There will always be people who will try to bring you down, and you don't need that energy in your life. This is your life, your body, your goal. If they are not offering any support, instead they make you feel unworthy and like a failure, your best bet is to stay away from them. You don't need to waste your time trying to explain or share yourself. You don't owe them an explanation, neither should you feel guilty if you choose to avoid them. Only share with someone who truly cares and wants the best for you. Together, you can keep each other updated, get tips, advice, and encourage one another. The only way to know if you're on the right path towards your goal is to track your progress. There are many different ways to track your progress. That can be keeping a workout journal. Having a workout journal helps you determine how much exercise you're currently getting in and allows you to see your progress, whether it's the number of steps you take, the number of times you work out, the kilometers you jog, or the time spent in the gym. It's also an effective method to track the exercises and amount of weight you lifted in your previous workouts. This way, you'll know if you're getting stronger. Remember that progress is not just about the number on the scale, but it's also about you getting stronger physically and mentally. Weigh yourself. It's important to weigh yourself to know if you're on track with the amount you need to lose. Saying that, however, I don't want you to be obsessed over weighing yourself every single day and determine your success solely based on the number on the scale. Only weigh yourself once a week and know that your progress is not solely determined by the number on the scale. If you're wondering why the number on the scale isn't moving, but you feel that your clothes fit better and that you look slimmer, that's because you have increased in muscle mass and reduced in body fat. This leads on to the next point. Check your body composition, meaning the percentage of body fat versus muscle mass. As you strength train, you will build muscle and burn fat. Your body fat percentage will go down and your muscle mass will increase, but your weight remains the same. That's because 1 pound of muscle is more dense compared to 1 pound of fat. So even if your weight remains the same, you will look more firm and toned. Most fitness and health clubs will have the machine for you to check your body composition. Next, take a picture. I love to take post-workout selfies. It's not about being vain, but rather it's a great reminder to myself that I've completed another workout session, and that feels good. When we see ourselves every single day, we don't always notice the changes. But as you look back at older pictures and compare photos from 6 to 12 weeks apart, you will definitely see the differences. At the end of the day, when you review your progress, you can look at ways to improve and also celebrate small successes along the way. And the final step is to know that this is not just another New Year's resolution. It's a permanent lifestyle change. It's not something you stop once you have lost X amount of weight, but rather it's about setting you on a path to a healthier and happier life forever. So, you got to work towards achieving what you want every single day. Forget about going on the fast lane. And because it's a journey, there will be lots of ups and downs. And I can tell you right now, it won't be a smooth journey and it won't be easy. You'll have days when you feel extremely motivated and out of the sudden, you might fall back into your old habit of binge eating again. If you can foresee this, you can better prepare yourself when it's about to happen and overcome it with certain strategies. Remember, do not turn relapses or temporary failures into meltdowns or excuses for giving up. Instead, acknowledge the mistakes. Look at ways on how you can better manage it when it happens and recommit to the path. I believe that achieving our goals isn't about willpower. It's about developing the right skills and strategies, and with the right execution, it will lead to success. Let me know what's your fitness goal in the comments below and how you plan on achieving that. This is your space. So I would encourage you to leave your comments regularly and keep me updated in your progress. Do also check out my description box as I've added a lot more links to guide you through your fitness journey. If you find this video to be helpful, do share it on with someone who could benefit from this. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout videos, recipes, as well as fitness tips. And let's start 2021 strong.